Good morning, everyone. I hope your energy levels after the first day of the conference are still strong. But in case you would like to check how they really are, I will be sharing a QR code at the end of my presentation where you can check how your health is doing only with your smartphone. So my name is Remi Koscielny. I am CEO and co-founder of Shen AI. For the last 5 years, I have been working on the vision of the future I envision, where every individual can monitor vital signs effortlessly with using any device, from a smartphone to a smart mirror, making the complete health checks as easy as daily routine. So today I will show you how this is becoming a reality in the virtual triage, as well how virtual triage can be scaled up using Shen. Yeah, but by the way, where's my clicker? Yeah. So before we get to the details, like how this is really possible, like some obvious stuff, but generally speaking, everyone is speaking about remote proactive care, but not really, a lot is happening or not enough. Providers are pushed to serve more patients due to pandemic of chronic and non-communicable conditions. Cost of care are elevating. Payers are looking for cost optimizations. So virtual triage can be one of the solutions for these problems. However, not so many tools, and the adaptation of these tools is yet available on the market. So all of this making the diagnosis of the patients later, and the costs even higher. So Shen AI provides 30 Hz markers, and actually this is the announcement now in only 30 seconds, not 60 seconds, so twice as short. Yeah, that's the very latest one. And it provides key vital signs such as blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, HRV, among others. It's clinically validated and can be used as a plug-and-play SDK integrated in any mobile app, web service, or even a hardware such as smart mirror. So our technology is built on the few core principles. The first is the remote photoplethysmography, RPPG, that detects subtle color changes of the skin due to blood flow. The second is remote ballistocardiography, RBCG, that detects tiny movements of the body in relation to heartbeats and blood circulations. Then there is computer vision that extracts these biosignals very precisely. And on the top of that, to provide blood pressure, there is AI models we have built on the latest advancements of the latest possible architectures of the AI, and our 500,000 data sets of individuals we collected actually to train these AI models to provide those markers. So why this multimodality is so important, and actually Shen is the only technology on the market that makes this in that way. So not only our PPG, but also our BCG. Yeah, so combining these two actually makes the environmental conditions in which the accurate, reliable measurement can be provided expands a lot, because for remote photoplethysmography, if there's not enough lighting, if there's skin covered by makeup or dark, this is difficult to provide. But this is having two eyes looking on the same phenomenon from two different modalities. So today, Shen provides three categories of the markers. Yeah. So first and the most important are vital signs that are taken entirely and only from the video that is processing in the real time with no user input. Yeah, so blood pressure, heart rate, HRV, stress index, all of them can be provided just by looking at the face of a person. And then we have health risks, which are mainly about cardiovascular and chronic conditions. And the third category is health indices in regards of metabolic, let's say, health. And these indices and risks are based both on the measures of the camera as well as some additional inputs from the user. Everything is baked into like a one single like a user flow inside of the SDK, which is fully customizable and already available in 18 languages. So our technology has been validated for the first time 2 years ago at the Medical University of Wrocław in Poland. Currently, the latest multimodal release of the SDK 3.0 is undergoing another clinical trial for heart rates, respiratory rates, HRV, blood pressure, and BMI. And results from this trial will be available late Q3, and the SDK itself will be available as soon as next month. So ShenAI is available as a wellness SDK, providing or simplifying access to real-world data for wellness insights, health awareness, and user engagement. Early next year, we expect a medical certification in class 2A that and Shen being also a medical SDK, will provide medically validated health data that enables generation of real-world evidence, supporting clinical use cases, regulatory compliance, and healthcare integrations. So, like the whole technology operates fully on the edge. Yeah, so no data is leaving a user device. No data is even stored on the user device. So everything is happening in the real time during this 30 seconds. So this is like a super secure, fully supports the data protection regulations, as well. It's like a simple, convenient to users. Yeah, I mean, for us, like building this technology, like the accuracy and reliability is the most important, but not less is the user experience, pretty much. Yeah, the technology needs to be easy to use, just to be useful, pretty much. So currently we are having dozens of customers in over 20 countries, and we are already supporting a number of use cases. So one is telehealth. Yeah, so just before or during the consultation, the Shen can be integral parts of the process, providing objective measurements of the vital signs. The second is integral part of virtual triage, being a part of insurer applications, like providing wellness insights. And the third is integral part of mobile health applications about different topics. And the same health data can be useful for onboarding, for personalization, and daily checks. So to sum up, ShenAI being a part of virtual triage can provide few important values. Yeah? So one is the reduced cost of care. The other is to diagnose early and on scale, guide patients to a right level of care, as well pretty much simplifies access to health data and improves patients' engagement, which is like also important just to keep it going. Yeah. So this is the QR code. You can scan and you can do a quick check on yourself. We are also exhibiting on A140 over there. So thank you very much for joining me on the stage, and I wish you a very pleasant day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Remi. We have time for questions. We have 5 minutes. So
sure.
Do you guys have questions? I do have a question.
Yeah.
Can you use this in a remote consultation, or do you have to have some kind of interop, or can you just ask patients to take their phone and just do it themselves? Because as a practitioner, that would be very useful.
Good question. And actually, this is the use case that will change the way how teleconsultation will work forever. Yeah, because like with remote patient monitoring, there is like still a possibility to dispatch a number of devices. Yeah, but for one time like a consultation, this is like not make any sense. Yeah. So actually, like how this is like presented on this first picture, like a patient can be using the very same platform for the teleconsultation while being measured or before the consultation. Yeah, so this is like a very easy flow both for the patient and for the practitioner.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Is there any other question? All right. Well, Remi, thank you so much again.
Thank you so much.
And looking forward to seeing you in the exhibition center.
Thank you.
You.